He did it.
Unbelievable video.
Didn't know how high he could jump.
Yep, now he does. Wow. All right, Diane, we've got action. Big time. All right, now, here's what we got to watch out here. Not only a storm, but very cold air headed in our direction.
This could be tough.
It could be a tough combo. 39 degrees in the metro right now. Wind's not a big factor for us at this point as we head throughout the next couple of days, though, especially tomorrow across the eastern side of the state. You guys are going to have to put up with some pretty good wind numbers. As far as what we've got going temperature-wise right now, teens around Alamosa, 29 Taos, 37 Las Vegas, 41 Tucumcari, and across the south temperatures for the most part in the 30s and 40s. Satellite and radar shows there is not much happening for us at this point, sort of the calm before the storm, but you can see if you've got HD and a widescreen TV, a storm starting to head into the Pacific Northwest, that will be a factor for us eventually. So for tomorrow, and really in through Sunday as well, not a lot happening for us, mainly clear skies. Weak weather disturbance goes to the south, and then a series of storms sets up to our west here as we head into Monday, but more appropriately Tuesday and Wednesday, and we could be looking at a pretty good mountain snowstorm with this deal. So here's a look at your storm report. Right now, the storm is over the Pacific Northwest. Monday through Wednesday, maybe even now into Thursday is the time frame we're looking at here. Snow for the northern mountains looks like a decent bet. Valley snows will be possible. And extreme cold across eastern New Mexico. Bust potential on this has come down. We're kind of cutting this in half to 47%. That's still fairly high because we don't have great agreement on what this storm is going to do. But more than anything else, it looks like it's going to come in two pieces. The first one on Monday will be a bit weaker. That'll give us that chance at some light snow with a lot of cold air not necessarily in place yet. But the second piece of this kind of dumbbells off the backside of this storm and pushes down across the southwest. That will have the benefit of really cold air across eastern New Mexico. So that could be the time, Tuesday, Wednesday, when we start to see some heavy snow over the San Juan, Sangre de Cristo, and northeast New Mexico, along with that extreme cold air for us as well. This second piece is deeper, stronger, and it's going to have a lot more cold air to work with. So the upslope with this should be better, too. Communities like Las Vegas and Raton could be a mess out of this particular storm. But that's not the only thing we have to concern ourselves with. We also have huge temperature problems here. This is a look at the temperature drop between today, really even then tomorrow, through Wednesday. We're going to drop eventually. Our daytime high is going to go down by about 50 degrees across the northeast. Tucumcari, 52 degrees colder by the middle of next week. Roswell, 33 degrees colder. Here in the metro, we're going to get much colder, 25 degrees colder. Santa Fe, 27 degrees colder. Across the west, looking at 18 degrees colder, Silver City. And across the northwest, we're going to be much colder as well. So got to get ready. Winter could be on its way back to New Mexico. And a storm as well. 40s and 50s for the most part tomorrow across the northwest. Enjoy a great weekend before we start to change things up. You'll see that in each 7-day forecast. Both Durango and Farmington looking at the chance at snow Monday, Tuesday, and into Wednesday. South and west tomorrow looks very nice. You guys are looking at temperatures in the 50s and 60s. Lots of sunshine out there. Over to the southeast. Pretty quiet here, too. 60s around Roswell, Portales, and Fort Sumner. You will have more wind, though, tomorrow afternoon. As you check out Roswell 7-day, though, notice those temperatures falling off significantly Tuesday into Wednesday. North and east, enjoy those warm temps because you guys are going to be looking at highs probably around 12 to 15 degrees by Wednesday of next week with snow. 50 in Taos, 44 Angel Fire, 51 in Santa Fe. And your 7-day forecast for Santa Fe shows much colder temperatures and the chance at snow starting on Tuesday. Meanwhile, East Mountains, pretty windy day for tomorrow, especially out toward Estancia and Moriarty to the east. Gusts up to 40 miles an hour. Here in the metro area, beautiful tomorrow. Very nice. Going to see some gusty winds at times, but still not bad. And we get our chance at some snow here in the metro area coming up for Tuesday and Wednesday. And that cold could be an absolutely huge issue for us as well.
It's going to hurt.
It is going to hurt. Much colder.
Thank you, Mark. We'll be right back with sports.